Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Waits World Travel. We just arrived at our junior suite, king bed, pool view room at Secrets Tides Punta Cana Resort. So let's take a look. You can see it's a gorgeous room and very large. We just got here and it's just spectacular. There's Jackie.
Hi everybody, you gotta come down, it's beautiful here.
All right, so great big beautiful king size bed and a nice ceiling fan, and it's just lovely. Beautiful artwork on the walls and these lights. And everything can be controlled from these little control panels by the side of the bed, which also has a European plug. We got an iHome there, these little reading lights that come out from the wall, and very fancy, and a nice bench and tons of storage space for your luggage and your belongings. Nice big flat screen TV and a big full-length mirror, backlit full-length mirror. Everything's included here, which is wonderful. We just asked for a bottle of champagne and within seconds we had a full bottle of champagne. So very nice. There it is right there. And here's our coffee service. We have a mini bar, which is also included and stocked every day with the beverages of your choice. We've got beer and sodas and water and some candy. So just lovely. Got a little dining table with 2 chairs and a coffee table over here by this beautiful sofa and seating area. So just plenty of space in this lovely junior suite. And here's the great big veranda too. So come outside, we've got 2 more comfortable chairs and a coffee table for our beverages or food. And as I said, we have a pool view. So just gorgeous resort. It's our first time here and we're thrilled to be here. You can see the rooms down below have walkout pools and lounge chairs, and there's the pool right there, one of their 3 pools. So just gorgeous. So coming back into the suite and heading back over by the door, got 2 great big closets over here with a blanket and a blow dryer and a safe for your valuables and several drawers here for more storage space. Got 2 areas for hanging shorter garments, and then over here on the other side you have another part of the closet with robes that we can use while we're here, and hanging space for longer garments, a luggage rack and a shoe rack. And this is really cool. This is a secret compartment that they can put room service beverage or drinks or dirty dishes in there. So if we don't want someone to come into our room, they put it in there and we take it out, and when we're done we put it back in there. And then we also have this gorgeous bathroom. So double vanity with plenty of storage underneath the sinks and 2 backlit mirrors and a makeup mirror. Got a great big walk-in shower here with 2 rain shower heads. And there's a window out into the suite if you want to open that. There's shutters that you can use to close that. And there's a shower wand as well. So just a gorgeous, great big walk-in shower. And separate facilities over here for privacy. So there's the facilities. So just a gorgeous king bed junior suite pool view room at Secrets Tides Punta Cana. So when you're ready to book your next luxury vacation, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.